Well, we're back again with our next video. This is a learning process for us, so we hope that you stick with us and like and subscribe for our channel. We plan on bringing you a lot of tips and different options of how-tos kind of for what you want to do with yours based on what we're doing with ours. We are still trying to figure out the technical side of YouTube, the videos, the uploads, editing.
So bear with us.
Yes, it could be a really fun ride. And we also plan on in the future, so far we have not done it yet. We've actually taken several videos. We're just still working on trying to put them together. But in the future we might be able to set up our tripod and do a little more video. Right now it's a stop and go when we find something pretty cool or we want to show you progress or what we're doing because of weather instead. So it's little snippets here and there that we're sharing with you on the progress of our house and things that we're doing. But hopefully you can see that we're a pretty good team, that we work together. Every so often that we'll stop and just smile at each other, give kisses as we walk by. It might be cheesy to some. I don't care. We like it that way.
Yeah. So the main purpose of this channel and putting it on YouTube, I don't foresee making any money off of this footage or doing the YouTube thing. But I do want to, do a couple things. One is to promote the renovation of old buildings throughout, the United States. And there's plenty of little towns out there that have these old dilapidated buildings that you can pick up for next to nothing. And some of the things that we're going to go over are where to buy the building is the first thing. You want to make sure you buy the building in the right market, the right place, so you can rent it or sell it or flip it or whatever you're going to do with these old buildings. But for me, Hannibal, Missouri was just a gift. It was a godsend. And when I fixed up my first building, I realized pretty quickly that this is going to be a hit. It's going to work pretty nicely. So, if you follow this channel, you're probably not going to get the most exciting videos, but hopefully I can transfer, or we can transfer this knowledge to you guys, so you can, either be inspired to do the same thing, or at least watch what we're up to if you're interested in following. But it's going to be valuable information for you guys.
So the other thing too is, our channel is the journeys of A and J. So not only do we hope to show you the restoration of the house and everything, but we are big motivators of the work-life balance. Andrew and I like to do a lot of different activities: kayaking, biking, running, traveling, camping. So when we want to take time away from the house, you can't just do it 24/7, or otherwise you'll get burnt out really quick. So when we have opportunities, like Andrew has a bike race coming up in just a few weeks that he hasn't trained for. This is going to be great. So stuff like that we want to add in. So you'll get little snippets of our life away from just the renovations. So that might be comical enough just to stick around for.
Yeah, absolutely. And in regards to that bicycle race I didn't train for yet, by working on the building, we're staying in pretty darn good shape. It's one of the best gyms I've ever not paid for. So if you're interested in getting in shape and shedding those pounds, buy an old building and start hacking away at it.
You'll be carrying a lot of wood, a lot of metal,
Yeah.
a lot of drywall.
Yeah. So anyhow, enjoy the videos. They're not the most exciting thing, but you will see the process of from start to finish restoring this old building that we bought, and hopefully you get something out of it.
It's nice to get into a groove to start. Try that. Good.
is right here for the stormer. This is awesome. This is awesome. Beautiful. See the woodworking on here.
Okay, as you can see, Andrew is climbing on top of the roof of the porch. He wants to remove the antenna that's been placed up there. Does this make you nervous? Why, yes. Yes, it makes me very nervous. Mind you, this is a 3-story building, and he doesn't have anything furnished to the building in case he slips and falls, which I don't like at all. But he's getting it. It's coming down. And let's see. Okay, he moved up to the top. And he's starting to take that siding off. This is kind of scary for me. Oh, that makes me so nervous. Sorry.
Look at that. All right. Look at that beautiful thing.
Is it more cedar?
It's more cedar,
Shakes?
cedar shingles, yes. Absolutely.
Good deal.
I'm gonna lower my ladder a little bit so I can get, work it down here.
So this morning I came a little late, and Andrew started working on this upper above the porch area, removing some more of the aluminum siding, and this is what he found underneath that. So if you look and see how that sits atop the window, there used to be dental molding there. It used to come out slanted away, and I'm sure it had decorative wood, some decorative trim. But we have yet, as of now, found any pictures showing what the house looked like before the aluminum siding. We do not want to cedar shake that. We want to build it out and make it close to original. If we can't find pictures, we're gonna improvise based upon detail of the era and the shape and the dental molding that was previously there. But right now, in the meantime, since we don't want any more damage to the wood, he has gone and got the sheeting, the underlayment that we need to protect the wood. In the meantime, he's putting that up so that way we can preserve the wood that is there and be able to use the design upon it. And FYI, I don't like heights, and yes, I'm standing on the porch. So I did that just so you guys can see what we're doing. It's kind of scary for me. That's what we're up to today. I'm working on the back of the house. We're working on the interior of the twist-in porch. We have already removed all the windows. So we have those stacked up. Those will probably get sold on Facebook Marketplace. Just one, because why throw them away? And two, you can use the money to put back into your project. And we don't want them broken since there's already so many broken windows around here. We did take the siding off the front. We're trying to figure out what is underneath the porch and what could possibly be the original versus they've filled it in. You can tell they insulated it well. It's actually put together pretty darn well. It had a drop ceiling in it, which is gone now. I took that out a while ago while Andrew was doing the siding on the outside. But we're hoping to have some nice columns in here and a pretty railing when we're done instead of this enclosed monstrosity.
So as we continue around the side of the building, we're working well, sounds like Jackie's hard at it there. Hey, there she is. Go, Jackie. There you go.